Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Cubot King Kong Ace 5. This is a new rugged phone from Cubot which is launched at the end of 2025 in December. As you can see, we have a sealed box. Let's open it and take a look. As soon as we open the box, we are presented with the phone. Please do not use the machine for high temperature or harsh environment. Undetachable battery. Here we have the usual paperwork, the quick start guide, important notes, compliance regulation, EU, UK declaration of conformity. Okay. Here we have the charging brick. It's a Type-C input. And we get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable inside of the box. This is the European version of the charger. This is the phone. Let's remove the sticker. Here in the back we have a triple camera setup with a big LED, let's say, ring and a small LED flashlight. On the right side we have the volume buttons, the power button. Here on the bottom, wait, let me open it. We have the Type-C charging port. On the left side we have a function button and the SIM slot. On the SIM slot we can do one SIM and one SD card as expandable storage, or two SIMs at the same time. The expandable storage on this phone goes up to 1 terabyte. Nothing on the top. Now let's power it on and take a look. While the phone powers on, let me tell you about the pricing of this phone. You will find this phone on AliExpress with the regular price of around, I don't know if you guys can see it, but around 270 euros. Right now it's on sale, it's 161.2 euros. So it has free shipping. So yeah, that was about the pricing of the phone. Let me just skip this menu real quick. Yeah, 96% of battery straight out of the box. Now, first things first, let me connect to Wi-Fi. And let me tell you the specifications of this phone. First, let's start off with the display. We have a 6.75 inch IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of, I believe it was 120 Hz. Let's see. Yeah, it's set to 60 Hz, but we have the possibility to go 60 Hz, 90 Hz or 120 Hz. Or we can leave it on auto, but I prefer 120 Hz. Yeah. That was about the display. As for the configuration, we only have one version of this phone, which is with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now keep in mind that we can expand the RAM up to 20 GB with 12 GB of virtual RAM. On the back, we have a triple camera setup, as I said, with the main sensor being 48 megapixels. Let's open the camera app. Yeah, 48 megapixels, macro. We can zoom up to 4 times. We have HDR photo. Let's check the video. On video we can do full HD. Yeah, on video we can do up to full HD 1080p with 30 frames per second. We have night, portrait, and more. The selfie camera of this phone is 16 megapixels. Let's check the... yeah, we can go up to full HD 30 frames per second even on the selfie camera. This phone started its life on Android 16, and the processor of this phone is a Unisoc T620, which is a 12 nanometer processor, octa-core, clocked at 2.2 GHz. Now let's check the big ring LED. Let's open, yeah, camping light, lightning. We can choose between low, middle, or tall. This is the maximum, yeah. We can do strobe, or we can do SOS. SOS has also the audio. Now let me check the speaker real quick. The phone has only one bottom firing speaker and a 720p display. The battery of this phone is 10,200 milliamperes with 33 watts of charging speed. Let's go to settings, let's go battery, and as you can see here, we have the option of battery health. We can see the number of cycles and we can choose the battery protection mode. We can see the maximum capacity, yeah. We also have the user manual of this phone here attached. Yeah. It's in several languages. It's a good thing they added it here. Yeah. So yeah, that was the unboxing video of Cubot King Kong Ace 5. In the following days I will post comparison videos between this phone and a few other ones that I have here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.